Hi there. This video is just to give you an overview of Canva.com and its opportunities for you to make really creative infographic posters for your teachers, as well as possibly some brochures. So you're going to go to the website and log in with the information the teacher has provided you for their account. You'll go up here and click Login. And once you're in Canva, as you can see, you can design anything. So if you're looking for something on a specific topic, you can search for it here. But if you look on the left-hand side, this is where you're going to find most of your templates and the way to navigate around. So I'm going to click Templates. And then down here, you can see that there are a number of different types. So if you're trying to do a poster or a logo, a presentation, flyer, and then an infographic, this little thing means that there are even more. Okay. And right here, an infographic is pretty much like a poster, but an infographic can be longer or wider than an 8x10 piece of paper. So you may be looking for one of these posters. Again, there's a little arrow, which is called a caret on the side. So you can look through more. These might not have anything to do with the topic that you are working on. However, these are just going to be some templates. It's going to allow you to change out the pictures and change out the colors and change out the background and the text. But again, we're just looking for one that has a similar style or feel based on the content that you're trying to include. So maybe here for infographics, we'll click at this one. It will open up and just show you the sample, and you can say use this template. Once it opens up, it is rather small. So down here in the bottom corner, this is where you can click and you can zoom and make it much bigger so that you can go ahead and edit it. So all I have to do at this point is just click on it. And I might say that these are the 3 types of government. Okay. I can change the color simply by highlighting it and clicking up here and changing to one of these colors. Now you can't choose any color, but you can click new color and it kind of gives you a grid. You can change the color here to get different shades of that color. And you can also go ahead right here and you can change the font family. So on the left-hand side, now we have a number of different fonts to choose from. And it's just going to click and change right in front of us. Now we can go ahead and click, this is the background image. You can see that the square, the blue square, is all the way around it. And so we can put anything we want in there. On the very left, you'll see that these are options. I can change the background by choosing here. And then I have all of these. Now pay attention to when you hover over the top in the bottom corner, it's going to say free, or it's not going to say free. So you don't want to have to pay for anything. So look for those choices that only indicate free. You can also add a picture in the background. So maybe here we want to look for one that says government. These are some interesting pictures, but notice these are going left and right instead of up and down. So we want one that's kind of oriented the same way as our infographic. And see this crown, that means that we're going to have to pay for that. That's a premium feature. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, and I'm going to change the background color of each of these boxes. Just click on this color, and I can make it any color that I want within reason. I can, again, click here. And change my text. Again, I can highlight over the top, and at the top I can change the color of the text. I can change the size of the text. I can make it bigger. I can make it bold. I can make it italics or underlined. I can also change, again, the font. I can change the spacing of the words. So here I can make them more spread out, or I can make them closer together or further apart as a line. I can add bullets to my words and change from uppercase to lowercase. And here is the orientation, the alignment. So I can make it left, center, or right justified. Okay, so let's go ahead. Here we have some small icons or pictures. So here I can change this object, and I can just type in, let's try government icon. Again, stay away from the ones with the little crown. Let's look for elements. Maybe we'll find something here. And here are some cute little icons that we can use for that. I can click this and delete it. I can simply click this and move it and drag it into place. And I can make it bigger or smaller, like this. Okay, again, I can change my topics. I can change the pictures or icons anywhere here. Let's say house. Put this here, make it smaller. One of the things I really like about Canva is not only can you capture these images, but if you decide that you would like a different color theme for your poster, you can simply change the color of this object. So when I click it, I can click on the pictures here. These are the 3 colors of my object. And I can make parts of my picture a different color to go with my theme. I can change again all of the text. And then when I want to save my presentation, I'm going to click here, Share. And I can either send a link, copy the link here, and post that in Teams. I can post that in Seesaw. I can post it a number of places for my teacher to access my resource. I can even download my resource and download it to a file that I can then print and upload to Seesaw or my Teams folder or to email to my teacher. Now, right now, I cannot do that because I chose an item that cost $1, so it wants me to pay before I'm allowed to download it. Well, I would encourage you to go ahead and look through Canva to see what else you can create. Again, here's some videos that you can include on your poster. You can upload some of your own images, which I've done here. How would you do that is click here, upload an image or video, and choose that from your device. And when you're ready to do something different, click here and go home and try something new. Enjoy!